This week's spelling list focuses in on long vowel sounds. Let's take a look at each of the long vowels. First, we have the long A. That appears in words such as make, hate, and shade. Next is the long E, which makes the E sound, appearing in words like sleep, reach, bead. Next is the long I, making an I sound, in words like bite, alive, and mile. Next, the long O sound, making O, words such as wrote, stone, and froze. And finally, we have the long U sound, making the sound U in words such as in cubic, fuse, and bugle. Now, some spelling tips for the long vowel sound. We have two different possibilities. First, there is the vowel consonant pattern, such as in words like make, the long vowel A with the consonant K sound, and bite. We have the long vowel I with the T sound ending it. The other alternative is two vowels together, such as in words like feet with the double E making the long vowel sound, or straight, the AI making the long vowel A sound.